Hello and welcome to my system.io email marketing tutorial video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up an email campaign in system.io. So watch this video till the end. By the way, if you want system.io lifetime free account without giving your credit card detail, then a special affiliate link is in the video description. Just go and check it out. And suppose if you want discount on system.io paid plans, then all the links are in the video description. Just go and check it out. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up an email campaign in system.io and how to write 2 to 3 emails inside this email campaign. We will write automated email, okay? So it is not normal emails, it is automated email that will go to our subscriber inbox one by one every single day, okay? For this, we need to create an email campaign. Then inside this email campaign, we will write 2 to 3 emails and we will connect this automated email with our lead generation page, that is opt-in page. Okay, so first you need to create an opt-in page so that you can capture the name and email address of your audience. Okay, so for this you can go to sites, you can click on funnels, you can click on create button, and from here you can select this build an audience option to create a lead generation type of funnel. Okay, but I have already created this lead generation funnel. So as you can see, there is opt-in page and there is thank you page. So let me click on opt-in page and let me show you how this page will look. So as you can see, this is my opt-in page, get 30-day challenge book to lose weight without exercise, and my audience can enter their email address here to get this particular ebook. So okay, so in this way you can create an opt-in page like this with system.io to capture the name and email address of your audience, or only the email address of your audience like this. Okay, so I have already created this opt-in page and thank you page by creating a lead generation type of funnel inside system.io. I hope you got it. So after that, to create an email campaign, all you need to do is just go to the email section, click on campaign, and from here we are gonna create a new email campaign. So let me give a random name here like email marketing campaign demo. Okay, so I have given it a name so that we can remember it. And from sender email address, you need to select your custom email address. I will show you how to set up this custom email address in system.io later in this video, so watch this video till the end. Okay, and here you can write a description like what is this email campaign is all about. Okay, if you want, then you can write the description, or you can leave it blank and you can click on save. So as you can see, email marketing campaign demo has successfully created. Just click on it, and here what we are going to do, we are going to create 2 to 3 emails. That is these emails that I have just discussed about. Okay, we need to write this 2 to 3 emails inside this email campaign. Okay, so we are gonna write 2 to 3 emails. You can write 50 emails, 100 emails, 1000 email. It is totally up to you, but for demo purpose I'm gonna write 3 email in this particular email campaign, and I will add 1 day delay between all the emails. Okay, so 1 email will go to my subscriber inbox every single day. Okay, I hope you got it. So to create an email, all you need to do is just click on this create button, and you can write your email subject line here, but I'm gonna write first email here because I'm giving you a demo, so that's why I'm writing first email, second email, third email like this, so I can explain it to you in a better way. But you should write your subject line here. Okay, you should not write first email, second email like this. And from here, let me write sender name. It is obviously it's my name, Sumit Saw. You can select your custom email address from here, and after that click on classic editor. It comes with visual editor and classic editor, but I will recommend you to use classic editor because it is better. Okay, just click on save. When you will click on save, then you will see a dashboard like this. Here as you can see, it is showing our subject line, and if you want to write preview text here, then you can write preview text here. So if you are confused what is this preview text, so preview text is a text that will appear just below your subject line in your subscribers inbox. As you can see, this is the sender name, this is the subject line, and this is the third line which you are seeing here is the preview text. So if you want to write some additional text to explain your subject line, then you can write preview text. Okay, I hope you got it. If you don't want to write anything here, then you can skip it. Okay, and here you need to write your email. So for demo purpose, I have written a simple email with the help of ChatGPT for my audience, and as you can see, hi there, thank you for joining my newsletter. I am really glad you are here. You can download your weight loss without exercise PDF using the link below. So to add a link, it is very easy. Just highlight the text, just click on this 3 dot, and from here you can click on this link option and you can add the link of this particular PDF file. Okay, like this. So I'm not going to add any link here. You can add it. I hope you understood how to add links. And if you want to personalize your email, like you want to write your subscriber name here, then you can write first name code by copying this code here. Okay, just copy this code, and if you will paste it here, then it will replace this first name code with your subscriber first name. I hope you got it. So in this way you can write your email, and after writing your email, just click on save and publish button. And in the first email you don't need to change anything here. Why? Because this email will be sent after. So obviously it is first email, so it will be first, so we don't need to select anything from here. And delay is 0 day. It means that this email will go to your subscriber inbox immediately when they will give you their name and email address using your opt-in page. Then they will get this first email immediately. That's why delay is 0 day here. Okay, and after that click on activate. Okay, so our first email is published. Now we need to click on exit button, and after that we are gonna write our second email. For this we again need to click on this create button. Second email subject line is second email. You can write your subject line here. As I already mentioned, I am giving you a demo, that's why I am writing first email, second email like this. Sender name is obviously it's my name, Sumit Saw, and again you can click on the classic editor, just click on save, and here you can write your second email here. Okay, I'm not going to write emails here, I'm just giving you a demo, so that's why I'm writing it like this. You should write your email here, and after that just click on save and publish button. What we want to send first email immediately, but we want to send second email after 1 day. Okay, and we want to send second email after our first email. So from here we need to select this email will be sent after first email. From this drop down menu we need to select first email. Okay, so I have selected my first email here, and here I have added 1 day delay. Why? Because I want to send my second email after my first email, and delay between these two email is 1 day. And let's click on activate. Let's click on save, and let's click on exit. Now in the similar way we are gonna create our third email. Let's click on create. Third email subject line is third email. Sender name is obviously it's my name, Sumit Saw. Let's click on classic editor, click on save. Here you can write your third email copy here, and after that click on save and publish button. And we want to send third email after our second email. So that's why from this drop down menu we need to select second email. Okay, this email will be sent after second email. Okay, I hope you got it. And delay before sending email is again 1 day. And why I have selected again 1 day delay? Because delay between second email and third email is 1 day. Okay, let's click on save and exit. So as you can see, I have written 3 emails: first email, second email, and third email. In first email there is no delay. It means that this email will be go immediately whenever anyone will give me their name and email address using my opt-in page. They will get this first email immediately, and after 1 day they will receive second email, and after 1 day they will receive third email. Okay, so we have successfully created an email campaign, and we have written 3 emails inside this email campaign which are in automation. The only thing which is remaining here is that we have not connected this email campaign, that is this email series, with our opt-in page, that is lead generation page. So it's very easy to connect our email campaign, that is this automated emails, with our opt-in page. All you need to do is go to sites, click on sales funnel, and open the sales funnel which you have created for this particular email campaign. So I have created this lead generation funnel, and this is my opt-in page. Okay, and here just click on opt-in page, not thank you page. Click on this opt-in page, click on automation rule. Okay, and from here click on add rule. From trigger options click on plus, click on funnel step form subscribe. It means that if anyone will subscribe to my email list using this particular opt-in page, then what action I want to perform? I want to add them in my email campaign. Okay, so let's click on plus icon, click on subscribe to a campaign. And what is the campaign name that we have just created? Our campaign name is email marketing campaign demo. We have created this email campaign, I hope you remember. So from this drop down menu we are gonna select email marketing campaign demo. Okay, because this is the campaign which we have just created for this particular opt-in page, and let's click on save rule button. So now our opt-in page, that is lead generation page, has successfully connected to this email campaign, that is this automated email series. So now what I can do, I can copy this opt-in page link and let me open it in a new window. So whenever anyone will click here and enter their email address to get access to this particular ebook, then they will start getting these 3 emails one by one every single day. I hope you got it. So one last and very important thing I want to mention in this video, that if you want to do email marketing with the help of system.io, that is if you want to send emails with the help of system.io platforms, then you have to use a custom email address. You cannot use Gmail or Yahoo or any other normal email address. Okay, you have to use a professional email address like sumit@blogginglib.com, like this. Okay, for this you have to add custom domain and custom email address in your system.io account, and you have to verify it. So it is very easy to verify custom domain and custom email address. For this you need to click on your profile picture. When you will click on it, then you will see setting option. Just click on setting, and from here when you will click on email tab, then you will see a dashboard like this. From here you can add your custom email address here. When you will add a custom email address, then you will get a verification email in your email address. So just open your email and click on verification link to verify the email address which you have added here. And also you can add a custom domain here. It is very easy. Just add your custom domain here, and you need to click on this eye icon. You will get DNS setting. You need to add DNS setting in your custom domain. If you don't know how to add DNS setting and all these things, then it is very easy. I'm gonna share two article links in the video description. These articles are from system.io. First article will help you to confirm your email address. So just follow this simple step-by-step guide to verify your custom email address. And this is the second article from system.io, which will help you to authenticate your domain name for email sending. Just follow this step-by-step guide to add DNS record in your domain. Okay, and suppose even after following these two guides, if you are still facing any difficulties, then what you can do, you can send email to system.io team, and they will reply within 30 to 40 minutes, and they will help you to set up this domain and custom email address properly. Okay, so I hope now you understood how to do email marketing with system.io, how to set up an email campaign in system.io platform, and how to create automated emails inside your email campaign and connect this email campaign with your opt-in page, so that you can send this automated email whenever anyone will give their name and email address using your opt-in page. Even after watching this system.io email marketing campaign tutorial, if you still have any confusion, then please let me know via comment below. I will reply as soon as possible. And if you found this system.io email marketing tutorial 2026 video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.